Yung ibang organization, they have grants, they have money to start with. When we've started PSDM, it's all passion. Passion that it turns into reality with the generosity of our chairman, Colonel Alexis Caño. Now what we want to do now is replicate this program, PSDMN, to have a regional network in all the regions in the Philippines and also in the ASEAN. Kaya nga po, ang trabaho ko din po is we really have to let people know that there is PSDMN and it should be part of the ASEAN humanitarian aid in 10 other countries. Kasi this is one way for us to really work hand in hand together. Kasi po, let's not reinvent the wheel. We know for a fact that there is a system and that system should be aligned. So may government po tayo, hindi po nila kaya sometimes, so like what happened in Yolanda. So ito po yung advocacy natin na imbis na mag-donate tayo sa mga international organizations, why don't we adopt PSDM and donate in our own organization? It's a local organization.
Ma'am, parang 911 to. Parang compared to na anytime yung mga response, ang bilis yung response dahil sa itong mga personal equipment. So, kailangan lang natin na...
Sir, hindi po ang parang, okay. So, hindi parang ganun. Kasi they are all international certified and we have a top of the line waiting room and then we also have